Welcome back, guys, for another video. If you noticed, that intro is different. It's the new intro for when I do welding videos for TTP Welding Co. So I'm gonna have the normal intro for when I'm dirt biking and doing all that jazz. Then I'm gonna have the new intro for TTP welding content. So today, come on, look at this right here. Got the new Ranger 8 generator welder. I just got this thing a little bit ago, and today is our first project. We bought these kits off of Far From Stock to make our own custom traction bars. 2-inch overall diameter tube. These are gonna be heavy duty because you know got a big old HD, big Mopile baby. So we're gonna do these a set for my truck and then a set for Dylan's truck. He's got an old nice Ford, big old wide dually. Look at that thing. Look at it. Get a load of that. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna intend. I think that's the right word. I don't know. So come along. So as you just saw in that last clip, this is all the parts they give you in the Far From Stock DIY traction bar kit. Pretty heavy duty stuff here for heavy duty shit. Dylan?
Alright, so first off we're going to start by mounting up our rear axle brackets and get them kind of tacked up in place, and then we're going to follow that up with a tape measure. We're going to measure these trucks off, both of them, and see how long we want the bars to fit on them. I'm thinking about going like somewhere on the rear door. I don't know what you're really...
I was thinking, yeah, like 6 feet. Trying to make them not look too goofy because they're kind of thick ass. They're a lot thicker than I thought they're going to be.
Yeah, they're a little big. They're a little big. Heavy duty.
We like them thick around here.
Yeah.
Don't get it twisted. All right.
Next
clip
gonna have
will be us.
outside.
Shut the fuck up. Next clip will be us getting that shit set up, brother.
Yes, so cut these things.
Hey there, pals.
These are the custom tube rollers I made yesterday, just for today.
Very productive here, brother. We're productive as always here. Let me tell you, it's a cow farm. You're gonna have cows outside because we're by the farm. Okay.
Now, this is my first time ever really doing something like this, really custom, but that's how you learn. So if I fail, I'm gonna learn from my failures. So that's okay. But yeah, I'm kind of excited and nervous. We literally were sitting in this. He's got this little bar in there. This place is called the Hogger. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the video. Should I? Oh, fuck, who cares? Anyways, so we were in there one night just bullshit. We're like, fuck, let's make a custom traction bar kit for our trucks. And here we are. So we're learning as we go. I feel like TJ Hunt working on his BRZ. This is where he started, and this is where I'm starting. Right here, right now.
Here we go. Justin, how was your cutting experience?
It was very scary. Scared for my life there. I hope this is straighter than Travis.
Ouch.
This is a safety glasses kind of job. Gotta get the safety. Ah, fuck these.
That was the second cut. It's not bad for a rookie there. Chops off. It's like I almost know what I'm doing.
Dylan, how you feeling about this so far?
Fuck, we still
brother. It's going good. It's going good.
Avery's cutting out here.
We are making progress little by little. The plan is of attack is to go do a little bit on my truck, a little bit on his, a little bit of mine, a little bit on his, so we can get them done around the same time.
Right.
But his is a Ford, so you know you gotta do a lot more shit to it.
Because we like at night.
Does that thing get you any pussy? Shit.
Yeah.
I think it'll be okay.
Ah!
Nice. Truck's leaking. Real nice, Dylan.
Sweat and power, baby. All right, so here I'm just notching out for my U-bolt because on my truck the U-bolt is right in the way, and then you have the shock on the other side. If you go any further out, they're gonna be super crooked. So right now I'm just kind of, I don't have a torch here, so we're just kind of make as many cuts as possible, take out the material, and then we'll get the flap disc in there and clean it up.
Okay, so right here, I just made the rough draft for the notch I'm gonna make. So this can sit like that, like so. So now I'm gonna cut very strategically, cut that out. Same with this side. And then I gotta use a flapper disc and keep edging it out. making sure this fits right. Once we get one good, then you can wrap paper around this and then draw it on a piece of paper to make it the process faster on the rest. So we got our notch cut out. Now we just gotta grind it some more to make it fit nice and tight. Nice and tight. All right, so now I'm gonna take this piece of paper and you wrap it around, and that's how you get, and then you draw on the inside to get your template. So then I can put it on the other ones. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it out with scissors, and then I can make it faster for all the other ones. Then we can go straight to cutting, and then boom, bada boom, bada bing.
We need power. Safety on that saw.
Oh, what?
Saw.
Yeah, where's the safety?
Yeah.
Can I get it to work?
That or we don't have, yeah, no. That unless this outlet's dead.
No, it works. Right here, there's a button.
Fuck, I didn't see that. Bro. I was like, man.
It's all on video, by the way. So, you get to look like an idiot.
I know, I will look like an idiot. I was like, bro, do I not have power?
Always wear a grinding shield, because this thing almost just took my head off. But it's alright. It's alright. I got a new one. Yeah, brother.
Yeah! That's what we do.
That's money, dude!
Alright, so we just cut and made our template. Now we're going to put it on this fresh piece. Wrap it around nice and tight. Try to get as good as you can. Flush. Baby, flush. Shit. Rip this part off because we don't need that. Alright. That's how you do that. Now, use a Sharpie and mark that. Bada boom.
Nice pipe.
Nice pipe.
Nothing up there, see?
Fuck. Now I'm not going straight. Oh my god, this
My
one's awful.
fault.
This
My
one's
fault.
awful.
My fault.
Alright, that's about as good as they're going to get. So yeah. Bada boom. I could probably go a little deeper, but you know, it's my first time ever really doing this, so you live and you learn.
Keep going.
So pretty much we just measured off the bar length for mine. We're gonna cut them at 85. They'll probably end up being around, what would we say, like 78. So we'll be set.
For sure.
For sure.
It's day 2 of making the traction bars. I got this new adapter so I can run the MIG welder off this generator welder. And now we're about to start this puppy up and get to welding. We just got this piece tacked up with the tubing. Now I'm going to weld it out and then do the same to this one. We got all 4 welded up. Now we're getting the back brackets put on the axle, tacked up, so then we can put these underneath the truck, put a bolt through them, and then we can see where the ends are gonna lie with the Heim joints. So we make sure everything's spaced correctly and where we need to tack up the other brackets. And once we get those other brackets tacked up, then we can weld them out and then put them in all the way. Came out some decent welds. Not too shabby. So we just pushed this traction bar up and we've got this bracket tacked in place. And now I'm gonna weld it out and then we're gonna do the same exact to the other side, and this truck's about done. we go. Final product. We got Dylan's truck all welded up, ready to go. Now it just needs to be painted or primed at least. And then we'll go and get the traction bars powder coated and York built. But yeah, so next video will be me doing mine. But his turned out fucking beautiful. Check it out. The Welding Co.
Shoot!
And also get some barb haircut. Stay barb. Come on. Thanks for watching. Tell me when. Alright, we're back for day 4. There's a longer video, I'm sorry. But we're doing 2 trucks in 1 video. So today, we're getting my truck done for my traction bars. And yesterday I welded out this thing to this thing. So now I gotta put this bracket on the back axle. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna wire wheel it, get it all clean, tack them in place. So come on, let's go. Dude, it's gonna be hard to weld these in here. You know? It's like there's like no room. It's gonna be a challenge, that's for damn sure. We just got the axle brackets tacked on. Now we're gonna weld these couplings for the heim joints into the opposite end of the axle bracket joints. And I'm gonna lay fat bead into here. I'm gonna clean this metal up, so you want a clean surface to weld on. So I'm just gonna get a slight little grinding action. I'm gonna lay a nice bead in here, do it to the other one, and then we're gonna put mock them up on the truck, so then we can put these brackets and put the heim joints in these, and then mount these up onto the truck so we can see where we gotta mount these at. And then we'll tack these in place. Once everything's tacked up, we'll weld it all up. Okay, so we just got this coupling welded out. Now I'm gonna wait for it to cool down. And I wanna put the heims in and do what I said before. We just got the front frame mount tacked up. Now we're gonna drop this back down and weld it out. And then we're gonna go to the other side, do the same thing. So yeah, you gotta drop it or else you'll melt the bushings in the front and the back. And so it's just not in the way, so I can weld underneath here. Don't mind that rust.
It's not rust. Good. It's all better.
What the fuck? You fucking bitch.
I'm recording now again.
We're recording here, brother.
Back in black. Alright.
Seriously.
We just got done painting, installing, welding, whole 9 yards on these traction bars. Sorry. Welds came out pretty good. Yes, welder did pretty good. We bring it back over here. We ran out of wire halfway through on this side, so we had to go to Rural King, buy some more wire. And then we just finished it. We got painted, blah, 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 blah. But now we gotta wait to go take them to get powder coated, and then that'll be the end of the video. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. This is the first welding custom fab video that I've done, so I'm pretty pumped on it. I think it's gonna turn out really good, and I hope you enjoyed it too.
We had fun doing it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
DDP out.
It's California.
Dude, look at your wheel. Look at your wheel.
Yeah, I think she's fine.